cutting up the E46M. It's still so sad, so sad cutting this up. I'll get her another one that's actually like together. Story short, talked to my boss, and he's all about sponsoring my car builds to a certain extent. Meaning, I can use his shop to work on them. I can use his machinery to powder coat, paint, whatever I need to do to this car. I can use the welders to put my cage in. So, yeah, the E36. Still got it. It's just gonna be a process to building it because I'm back and forth with that car. So this car, it becomes a street drift missile, aka a shit car. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna rip the diff out, weld it. We're gonna put coilovers in it. We're gonna do something crazy to the front end, and we're gonna make a bash bar. Put my hydro brake in it. Car's already gutted, so you know that's a plus. All of that, we're also going to cut this out. We're gonna cut it out. Just because I want to. Cut this out. Drill some holes. Also, I need to put a muffler tip on here. Instead, I'm just gonna do a straight pipe. Do something funky here, because you can tell. There's my exhaust right there. Cut the muffler off. And I'm just gonna add a pipe there. Maybe have it flange out and go up. So like I said, this isn't gonna be a really pretty car. It's gonna be a drift missile. All right. I want to keep half the car black, I'm thinking, and then do the other half, the front half, do the front end gray. Gray that fades into the black. White wheels. These wheels look so dope in white, so. Time to take you out. Let's see how it looks inside. First time I ever welded a diff, and I think I did a pretty good job. I would hope so, because I'm a welder and this is kind of easy. So here we go, check it out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and weld up these four corners. Yeah. I made these little plates. They're beveled, you know, it's like a lot of good weld in there to fill it in. And then I also channeled it out. Not the best, but what do you want with a grinder? Anti-spatter will save you, so you just brush it off and it falls right off. Nice clean weld. I spray that shit on everything. We're not breaking that. wrap. The good old BMW of North Haven, trying to pick up a key. AKA, I had to order a good old service. I wonder how much this is gonna cost me. Oh, parts and service.